Hi, fam. How are we all doing today? So, quick one. Today, I'm going to quickly take you through the steps of making a strong admission application in the US. Yeah, in less than 5 minutes. It's a really short process. It's not long. I actually added the really, so you know that it's not really long. Okay, so I'm going to read through quickly what I've written down. I'm going to explain, of course, but yeah, just to like make sure that I do not miss any point. So first off, go to the website of the school, navigate to graduate school, and search the faculty for professors. So make sure that the first thing you're doing is looking for professors whose research align with your own research interests. That is the first thing. So look for the school, then search for the professors. Go to the faculty section, look for the faculty with whom your research interests align. Then once you find that professor, that's number one, check, tick. Then the next one is navigate to the fees and funding part of the website and look out for scholarships and assistantship available. Of course, you want to make sure that this university is able to fund you for your PhD or maybe for your master's, or if you are capable of paying the fees. Once you check and you feel like, okay, I am able to pay this fee, or this university is able to fund me, then check. Number two. Three, you still on the website, navigate to the admission requirements, note the essay requirements, the CV, letter of recommendation, English test, or exclusion criteria. Once you have noted these things, be sure to understand these parts, because if you miss out on any of these, then you're actually wasting your time with the application. So once you see that, okay, I am able to fill all these requirements, I think I have people who can recommend me, I think I've been exempted from the English language test, or maybe not, I think I'm going to take the test, or I've taken the test and I have the results. Now, number three, check. You see that this is easy, right? Okay. The fourth one, go to the frequently asked questions and search for application fee waiver availability or how to request for one. Also, for this information on the application process, pay attention to the portal used for the application. Now, check the application fees. Is this something I can afford? Do they offer fee waivers? If they do not offer fee waivers and you feel like, okay, I can afford this, no problem, then yeah, check. That is the next thing, right? Yeah. Then after this, you go offline. Now we're done with that part. Now go offline, craft that essay, write it now. It does not need to be like too long. In fact, my advice for you is that SOPs, statement of purpose, should be like max 3 pages, 3 to 4 pages, the max. Like that's the max you should go. Yeah. And remember that what I told you about statement of purpose. If you have forgotten, please check my video on statement of purpose and what you should do and what you should not do. Yeah, I made a previous video about that. So after you have crafted your SOP and your CV, you have done it. You like yeah. Um, your SOP should mention the professors. You know, in the beginning, I told you to check for professors, right? Should mention these two professors that you want to work with, and it should state your research interest. Okay, if this is done, check. Also mention the reason you chose the university is very important, and how you are a fit for the program. Once this is done, check. Now return to the university website and navigate to the application portal. Click to create a new application. Now start the application process. Yeah. So after this is done, you go to your mailbox. They will send you a pin. You would enter the pin, and from there you're able to access the application itself. So once the application open, go through each of the pages carefully and upload the required part, the CV that you have crafted, your SOP that you have crafted. Yeah, and please be mindful of the format. Don't upload JPEG, PDF, or documents as required by the university. After you have done this, check. Fill in the details of your recommender, and they would of course send them um they will send them an email on how to proceed with the recommendation letter. Make sure that you inform your recommenders ahead so that it does not come as a surprise. After you have done this check, now click on review to allow the system audit all you have imputed. Then submit the application and pay your application fee if you do not have access to application fee waivers. After this, reach out to your recommenders to inform them that a mail has been sent to them. And lastly, if you did not code, email the professor. Please make sure that once you submit the application or before you submit it, make sure you write to the professor to tell them that you're interested in working with them. Okay, I taught you that in less than 5 minutes. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with someone. Bye.